Amazing migrations, butterflies, bats, and birds. Vocabulary. Near, meaning close to something. Sentence. The school is near my house. Food, meaning things that animals or people eat. Sentence. Apples are a healthy food. Try, meaning to make an effort to do something. Sentence. I try to tie my shoes by myself. Climate, meaning the usual weather in a place over a long time. Sentence. The desert has a hot and dry climate. Generation, meaning a group of people or animals born around the same time. Sentence. My grandparents are from an older generation. Insect, meaning a small animal with 6 legs and usually wings. Sentence. A butterfly is a colorful insect. Mammal, meaning an animal that has fur or hair and feeds its baby's milk. Sentence. A dog is a mammal. Migration, meaning the movement of animals from one place to another, often for food or weather. Sentence. Birds go on migration to warmer places in winter.